Buckles, written and illustrated by Zieminek. Buckles the horse is a Mustang breed. He has a long, flowing tail, and he's a beautiful steed. Now Buckles the horse has lost his shoe. Buckles the horse doesn't know what to do. He looked in the corral and under the old tree. He looked in the barn. Where could his horseshoe be? He asked Pinky the pig, but he did not know. Buckles looked everywhere. Where did it go? He asked Fluffy the sheep, but still had no luck. He even looked under Farmer Mike's old truck. He decided to pout in the horse corral because without his shoe, he can't pull the plow. Later that day, Farmer Mike came around and noticed that Buckles had a huge frown. Farmer Mike asked, "What's wrong, Buckles? Why so blue?" Then Buckles raised the hoof that was missing a shoe. Farmer Mike said, "Don't worry, boy. I know just what to do." So Farmer Mike ran off to get Buckles a new shoe. Running quickly, Farmer Mike fled to find Buckles a new shoe in the old work shed. Farmer Mike looked and looked, but couldn't find a shoe at all. Can you find the horseshoe hanging on the wall? Yay, you did it! You helped Farmer Mike find Buckles a shoe. Buckles will be so happy, and it's all thanks to you. Farmer Mike put Buckles' new shoe in place, and a huge smile grew on Buckles' face. Buckles thanks you and Farmer Mike, and he is so pleased. Buckles jumps all around with the greatest of ease. Buckles ran back and thanked Farmer Mike once again. Farmer Mike said, "It's the least I could do for my very best friend."